Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bettersleep, Sleep Tracker and Relaxation Sounds app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bettersleep is a relaxation and sleep improvement app designed to help users fall asleep faster, reduce stress, and improve overall sleep quality. It combines sleep tracking, soothing sounds, guided meditations, and bedtime stories to create a personalized sleep experience. The app is available on both iOS and Android, offering a wide range of content curated by sleep experts and therapists. The app's main feature is its extensive library of calming sounds and guided sessions, which users can mix and match to create their own sleep soundscapes. It also includes sleep tracking tools that monitor your rest patterns and provide insights into your sleep duration and quality. In addition, Bettersleep offers breathing exercises, relaxation techniques, and sleep coaching programs that help users unwind and manage anxiety before bed. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Bettersleep for its soothing audio quality, variety of content, and customization options. The ability to combine multiple sounds, like rain, ocean waves, and soft piano, makes it ideal for personalized relaxation. Its guided meditations and bedtime stories are also highly rated for helping users calm their minds and achieve better sleep consistency. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version includes limited access to sounds and meditations, while the premium plan unlocks the full library and advanced features. Some users also mention that the sleep tracking accuracy can vary depending on how consistently the app is used. Additionally, because it relies on continuous audio playback, it may consume more battery during long nights. In summary, the Bettersleep app may be worth using if you're looking to relax, reduce stress, and improve your sleep through calming sounds and mindfulness exercises. However, if you prefer free or minimalistic apps without subscriptions, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.